Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix slow internet speed in your Realme P4 5G. So guys, internet speed is very slow in your phone. So guys, you just follow this video. First thing is guys, you simply restart your phone. For restarting, simply press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Sorry. Okay, and simply swipe down, otherwise swipe up for the restart. Okay, then guys, you try to switch the network mode. So guys, make sure that you are select the network mode to the auto. If you are selected to the uh, like stuck on the 5G, so when the coverage is not the 5G, so maybe you're facing the issue. So you simply select your network to the 5 auto. Okay, so it's automatically change according to the network coverage. Then guys, you disable your power saving mode. For disable the power saving mode, simply swipe down and guys go to the option of settings. In the settings, you go to the mobile network, and here in the data uses, currently here you see data saving mode and turn it off. Okay, then guys, you try to reset your network setting once if you're facing such type of issues. For this, simply swipe up, going to the option of settings. The settings, going to the option of system device and update. Here you back up and reset and reset and reset all the settings. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.